Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very quick, straight to the point video on how to flat twist your own hair. So if that's something you think you'd be interested in, keep watching. So I asked in one of my most recent videos if you'd like to see a flat twist tutorial, and a few people actually did request for it. So I just thought I would film a quick, straight to the point video that would be easy for everyone. I'm just going to show how I learned, because even after I watched a few videos I still had to learn by myself. So my hair is already sectioned and I take one of those sections. I'm not sure if you can tell, but my hair is already a bit stretched out, so I would advise you start with stretched out hair rather than wet hair, because that just makes it easier. First, I'm just going to split my hair a little just to make it easy to detangle, because if there's anything I know about flat twist, it's that you need to detangle, or your hair needs to be properly detangled for the flat twist to come out smoothly. Once you are done detangling, you are ready. So I'm just going to take a little section, just a small one of that big section. Flat twists are very similar to two-strand twists, and once you get the hang of a two-strand twist, you can definitely understand how to flat twist. So if you'd like to see a full tutorial on how to two-strand twist your own hair, let me know down in the comment section and I'll be happy to provide that. So here comes the not so easy part, the actual flat twisting. So I'm just going to try and make this as easy as possible and as explanatory as possible. So first I take that section and I turn it into further little sections, and then I take my index finger, or you can call it your pointing finger, and that's what I'm going to use to pat. So I pat and then I use my thumb and then my pointing or index finger to grab. So I'm going to say that again. Pat, use my thumb and my index finger to grab. And then I take the fingers on my other hand and then I turn. So it's pat, grab, turn. Once you're done with that process, it's straight to two-strand twist. So once again, if you'd like to see a full tutorial on how to two-strand twist your own hair, let me know down in the comment section. So I'm just going to take you through it one more time. So you part and then you part into two again, and then you take your index or pointing finger, and that's what you're going to use to part. So you part, use your thumb and your index finger to grab, use the other thumb and the index finger to turn. So you part, you grab with your thumb and your pointing finger, and you grab with the other hand's thumb and pointing finger. Once again, you part with your index or pointing finger, you grab with your index or pointing finger and then your thumb, and then you use the other hand's pointing finger and thumb to grab the leftover hair, and then you turn. So that's it for today. Remember, part, grab, turn. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. If there's any other video you'd like to see or any other style you'd like a tutorial to, let me know down in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.